quantum biology, quantum body, and quantum entanglement. So, is there a connection? The idea that quantum entanglement may play a role in biological systems is a valid one and being explored by many scientists. I have, without validation in the past, suggested that and been ridiculed for it, but anyway. There's growing evidence that suggests that quantum effects may be important in a variety of biological processes, including photosynthesis, magneto perception, and cognition, and how our biology and brain and DNA may all play a role through the principles of quantum mechanics. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for quantum entanglement in biological systems, of course, comes from the study of photosynthesis, basis of all life on this planet. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose. That's how energy starts getting manufactured for all of life. So that's now very established. Also sensory processing, also motor activity, also volition may all be quantum entanglement examples, therefore processed in the quantum body. Another area where quantum entanglement may be important, or is certainly important, is something called magneto perception. It's the ability to sense magnetic lines. Some animals, such as birds and bats, have a very strong sense of magneto perception, and they use it to navigate. It is thought that quantum entanglement may also play a role by allowing animals to sense the Earth's magnetic field even when they are in darkness, such as bats, for example. Finally, there's some evidence to suggest that quantum entanglement may be a requirement for both cognition and perception, which I mentioned before. And studies have shown that people can perform certain tasks better when they're exposed to subliminal quantum fields. Let me see if I have any other examples in my notes. The brain, for example, could be activated or could function purely through quantum effects, because for any memory to be recalled, or any sensory processing, or for any motor activity, you need disparate parts of the brain to fire together. And there's a phrase in neuroscience: neurons that fire together wire together. Our body is able to heal in ways that are not fully understood. I have proposed for many years that healing is a return to homeostasis or self-regulation, and that requires many processes to occur simultaneously and in coherence. So quantum entanglement could play a role in the process of healing by allowing the body to coordinate the activity of its cells over long distances. So, right now your heart is beating, your stomach might be digesting food, your brain is helping you to speak and process sensory information, your immune system is working, your endocrine system is working, and all these things are happening together, correct? How do they happen together? How does the brain phase and frequency lock in to process sensory information and also motor activity? All of this can only happen through quantum entanglement. And how do we activate quantum entanglement? by returning to the simplest state of awareness. When there's too much mental activity, too much biological activity, biological overload, whether you overeat or you overexercise or you underexercise or you don't sleep well or you're stressed or you have dysfunctional relationships or your biological rhythms are out of sync, then you're interfering with quantum entanglement. You're causing decoherence, noise, inflammation, and that results in entropy, accelerates the arrow of time, accelerates aging, and causes both mental and physical distress. So the key to returning to our original state of coherence, homeostasis, self-regulation, healing, is to restore quantum entanglement by reducing the noise in the mind and the biological noise, which causes decoherence, inflammation, disease, and accelerated aging. All these strategies are discussed in the book Quantum Body. If you're finding this interesting, give me your feedback and we can start a book club discussing all of these ideas.